Hello everyone and welcome back to Fratini's channel. Today I have got an unboxing to do, or an unbagging if you want to be correct, I guess. This is, believe it or not, a painting from Huacan. Now, I didn't actually pay that much for this painting at all. This was one of the paintings that you can get from AliExpress. You know the coins that you can earn daily. This was one of the special items on the list for that day by using coins on AliExpress, and I think all I paid in total was £2. So this is from Huacan. It is a square, but I figured that because it only cost me £2 and 1,000 coins or something like that, 500 to 1,000 coins, I can't remember exactly. I thought, what have I got to lose? So I'm going to unbag it, see what it's like. Obviously, with the recent issues with Huracan at the moment, I'm not entirely sure what we're going to get in this bag, but we'll see. So this actually took, and I was really impressed with this actually, it only took 9 days from the point of ordering to the point of delivery. So I received the delivery today, which is the 22nd of December, and I ordered it on the 12th or the 13th of December. So considering the time of year as well, with it only being 2 days before Christmas, I actually thought it was a really quick turnaround with ordering to dispatch and delivery. So definite thumbs up for shipping. It was sent by China Post registered mail. I think that's what they call it on AliExpress. I do normally increase the postage slightly to the AliExpress standard, but I figured because it's only going to be, it's only cost me £2 anyway, I figured that I would just let it ride and have the free delivery. So for 9 days from start to finish, I think was really good. So let's get into this then. Obviously this is only a 30 by 30. I'm sorry for any glare that you're getting. I think it's because the package is white and I'm getting a lot of glare back from the camera. But this is only a 30 by 30, which is why they sent it in a bag. This is a square as well. So I am a little bit cautious and a little bit, is it going to be okay because it's a square and all this popping drill debacle. So we've got the toolkit. We've got non-branded Huacan tweezers, very sharp ones. There isn't the actual top of the other top. I can't speak today. My words. The top of the tweezers, the cover has actually come off, so I need to be careful I don't stab myself. We've got a clear drill pen with a 3 drill placer and a 9, I believe, in the bag. With a grippy, a white boat with 2 plates of wax. So here are the drills. Okay, so they look okay, but then I thought the diamonds that I was using on my current painting were okay, but there's a lot of trash, so time will tell. So we'll check out the drills in a minute. Let's get rid of this out of the way so we get rid of some of that glare. So let's see if I can cut this. Now, it's in good condition from what I can see. There doesn't seem to, it's wrapped around a foam core. What do we have? We have some tape. I'm just going to lift you up slightly because and you can see my kind of pop. Let me see if I can snip this. Okay, it was only held together with one piece of tape, so that's all right. Okay, got the tape off. So this, and there is the foam core. And here, if I bring it to the camera, is a picture of the image. If my camera will focus, because we all know how bad my camera is at actually behaving itself when I want it to. There we go. So it's a picture of some birds. It looks like one of those stained glass type pictures. And it's got 35 colours, would you believe? And it's a 30 by 30. So it does look like it's got the standard Huacan symbols. It does have some 310 in it. It also has some 939. But it doesn't have any 3865 or 5, is it 5200? So there's a quick look at the symbols, if my camera will focus. There we go. I do wish I could get a better camera, but this works okay, but it's not great. It's not really what I meant to be used for, what I use it for. But if I go slow enough, you should just be able to see. So anyway, so ooh, this is a nice size. Oh, this is cute. I like the size of this. This is pretty. So it's in 3 strips. The canvas actually feels quite nice. So it's in 3 separate strips. We'll peel it back. Let's have a look, see what the drill field is like. This actually looks kind of cute. I like it. Okay, so if you have a look at the drill field, the symbols do look nice and clear actually. If my camera will focus. My camera is refusing to cooperate, but the drill field does look really clear. And it is quite sticky. But it doesn't have, it does, I'm not sure actually whether you actually class this as having grid lines or not, because I've not actually seen what they look like without grid lines. I think this has, I'm not sure though. I'm not going to peel it back all the way, which I almost nearly did. So there we go. So you can see the image. It does look quite clear actually. From where I'm looking, it does look pretty clear. You can see a bird here, and it's all little stained glass type effect. Lots of nice little colours actually. I think this might be quite nice to work on, providing that the drills are in good condition. These it doesn't have grid lines, because if you look at the lighter sections, if my camera will focus, it doesn't actually have any grid lines, but it should be okay. Fingers crossed. Because it's the first one that I've had from Huacan since they've stopped putting grid lines on them, even though I have heard that they've started to do the grid lines again, but I don't know if this painting was in the coin thingamajig, because it was like low stock or old stock, so they was trying to get rid of it so they could make way for the new stuff. I'm not sure. Or if they're just trying to advertise themselves because of recent issues. So I'm not sure if it is end of line, old stock, or if it's just advertising that it was on the whole coin thing. Coins and rewards, I think it is on the app. I'm not sure if you can use that on the website. I've never tried, but I think it is just on the app where you can buy things using coins. I could be wrong though, because I don't normally use the website, I just normally use the app. So there we go on the second side. So it does look quite detailed actually. It looks pretty good. It's got two birds on it. One bird with its wings open, so it's like in flight. I don't know if you can work that out there. That's its wing. It's one wing and there's the other wing. There's the chest of the bird's face. You can just about make it out, and then here is the bird that's sitting on the perch or whatever it is. But it does look like one of the stained glass effect type of paintings. It does actually look pretty nice, to be fair. Hopefully we don't have any issues with the drills, and the canvas does feel quite nice. There's no obvious well, I can't see any flaws at all in the canvas, and it actually feels in better condition than the custom that I'm doing at the moment. So let's have a quick look at the drills. I guess that we will find out for certain when we actually work on this as to whether or not we're going to have problems, but hopefully not. So if I can get into this, I don't know when I'm actually going to get around to doing this painting, mind you, but I figured I would give them another try, considering it was only £2, £2 and some coins. I didn't think was bad. Okay, let's just move that out the way for a second. Right, so there's 35 colours, so there's 35. The drills look okay actually. The drills don't look, well, this bag doesn't look oily or anything like that. It looks all right. There is a rogue bead in there, look. So we've got this 35 colours, so let's just quickly check. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got, I'm going to start from the front. 24, 25, 26, 27, 35, 30. Now, if you don't want to watch me doing the inventory, please feel free just to skip forward a little bit. I know not everybody likes to watch the inventory, but I know there's a lot of people that do. So if you choose to skip it, that's absolutely fine. So 17, 18, it's a lot of blue, 19, 21, 23, 10, 22, 23, 15, 4, 3, 5, 14. Colours look nice actually. A lot of blues though, and neutral colours. 32. 33. There's 2. There's 30. 34. 20. 6. 16. 13. 31. The drills look okay. I can't see any oil in them, and they do look okay, but again, it's all going to depend on how it turns out when I'm actually working on it. 11, 12, 7, 8. 435. Okay, so let's have a quick look then. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So we have got all the drills. Let's just pick a random one. So 19, which is 799, which is correct. And we should have, or we should need 352. And in this bag, they say they have sent us 415. Let's just pick another random one, number 2. No, so number 2 is 154. So we should have been sent. We need 381, and it says there is, if my camera will focus, 449 in that bag. And the last one, just do a quick spot check. Number 10, which is 415. We need 463, and it says they have sent us 546. So I think Huacan do send approximately 30% extra drills. I do know that the painting that I'm working on at the moment, the custom, I'm finding a lot of trash. Now this is a round painting, the custom that I'm working on currently, but I'm finding a lot of trash drills, and I'm finding a lot of square as well. Every time I pour some, not all colours, but when I pour some of the colours into my tray to work on, I'm pulling out 6, 7, sometimes a few more of square drills. So obviously that all equates to that 30% extra, I believe. So I'm a little bit worried that if I'm finding that many every time that I pour drills into my tray, that I'm gonna be losing a percentage of that extra 30% drills. So I do hope that I don't run out, and I hope that that isn't going to be the case with this painting. I mean, in here already I can see there is some trash. Because my camera's not focusing that great, you can't actually see it, but there is some trash in there already. Just there where my thumb is. I don't know if you can see that, like a little plastic strip. So there is trash in there. I can see that just by picking up one bag. But that's all I can see in that bag. Let's pick something else with only a few drills in. Let's try this one. 152. They do have little like indents in the bottoms of the drills. In this bag in particular. Not all of them do, but a lot of them have like little indents on the underside of the drills, almost like it's been stabbed with a tip of a pen. But I don't see any trash. I'm not sure if that is the case with all of them though. See, that has the little indentations in it as well. But again, I don't know if that is going to have any impact on the actual outcome of the painting, but I don't see any trash in there either, and they do look relatively okay. They look pretty decent. There's a few there that are stuck together, I can see, but not that you can because my camera's useless. But for the most part, I think that, you know, all the drills are here. The canvas is in good condition considering it's come in a bag. It was wrapped around a foam core. So that obviously did help with the whole shipping process. All the drills are there. We've got all 35 colours. Whether or not we'll have enough, or whether we'll have any trash, or we're going to have any issues with the actual painting itself, remains to be seen. But there isn't any grid lines on this. But because this painting's so small, I'm Not thinking I'm going to have that many issues, but you know, it's difficult to say. But overall, I am quite pleased with the outcome of this. So I'm not sure when I'm going to be able to get around to working on this painting, but I'll be sure to come back with a review or a draw with me, or put it in my lives when I do get around to it, and we'll be able to find out the outcome together. So that pretty much concludes this painting, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will put a link to the actual painting itself should you wish to buy it for yourself. This is from Huacan, so I haven't got any more on order from Huacan, not until I'm 100% certain that all issues have been resolved. The only reason why I purchased this one was because the bulk of the price was in the form of coins, and I only paid £2 for it, so I thought it was a gamble worth taking. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please do give it a thumbs up. I will be back on Sunday, which is tomorrow if you're watching this video on the time of recording, at around 8 p.m. UK time for my Sunday night live. And we'll carry on with my custom Huacan. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. Again, do give it a thumbs up. Please feel free to comment should you wish to, and I will see you guys next time. Take care and Merry Christmas. See you guys. Bye.